Well, hey there, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. Today, I am really excited because I'm going to be making something I've made in the past. It's actually something I cooked for a cooking contest, a Spam cooking contest, and I won. It's called Spamcakes. Let me show you how to do it. I think Spam is such a unique item. And this is basically a Spam pancake. You need 1.5 cups of pancake mix in a bowl. And a cup of milk. A small can of creamed corn. This one's 8.5 ounces. Right in there. 1 beautiful egg. Right inside. And a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to combine that together. I've got my Spam here. It's time to open the can, and then we get to chop it up. I had an aunt that just recently told me that when I was younger, I used to talk about how I wanted to open a Spam-themed restaurant. Isn't that cool? I'm going to chop this Spam pretty small. I don't think I'm going to use the entire can of Spam. I might fry these pieces on the side. I'm just going to add this right to that batter. I'm going to add a little Creole seasoning and then mix it all together. Time to add the batter. Flip. Serve with some maple syrup. Spamcakes. Let's give it a try. It's been a long time. Very nostalgic and very fun. See, I kind of like Spam to begin with. You kind of have to be a Spam lover to love these Spam cakes. And the maple syrup, a nice added touch. I'm so glad you joined me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. I love making these nostalgic recipes. And you know what? If you want to see more nostalgia, just subscribe to my channel and ding that bell to see me all the time. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again. I just got a job as the CEO of Hormel, the company that makes Spam. But now nobody will respond to my emails.